I have something to tell you, and this is about Lightroom. For me, nothing has changed. Hey, this is Scott Weinkiewicz, a storyteller with a camera, talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. And in this video, I want to talk to you a little bit about Lightroom. A few years ago, I published a course that is still available called Camera to Completion Lightroom Workflow course. Everything in that course is 100% valid today. My workflow has not changed. In fact, it's only gotten more streamlined every day, every time I have a new session. And this course, by the way, is not about you doing my workflow for you. It's about sharing how and why I have my workflow from camera to completion, and how you can use what I've learned and what I've shared with you to make up your own workflow that works best for you. Whether you're colorblind like myself, whether you prefer stars versus flags versus colors, whether you like mobile or not like mobile, or whether you like starting from the bottom up or the top bottom, whatever it is, the course is still valid. So I just wanted to share this with you, that while Lightroom has changed over the years and the user interface has gained some things, lost some things, and while the name of Lightroom has actually changed, it's no longer just Lightroom, it's now Lightroom Classic, and at one point it was Lightroom CC Classic. While some has changed, some has not. And what has not changed is the workflow has not changed. So I wanted to just quickly reintroduce you to my course, Camera to Completion Lightroom Workflow. Because if you are struggling to fine-tune, to figure out what works best for you in Lightroom, then I've got a course for you. Now, you might be thinking Lightroom is slow, Lightroom is bulky. And you know what I have to say? That hasn't changed. That hasn't changed either. I am running a very powerful iMac, and Lightroom is still slow on it. It's the nature of Lightroom. Adobe has not listened to really focus on performance, even though they say they are. So check out Camera to Completion Lightroom Workflow course if you're interested in learning more about my workflow and how you can utilize what I've learned for you and to really figure out the best workflow for you. That's the most important thing. Then I've got the course for you. It's in the description below. Just check it out. Camera to Completion Lightroom Workflow course. And if you want to just check it out for a month, you can subscribe to the dojo at $10 a month. Instead of paying once and having the course forever, you could, if you choose, try it out for a month, pay $10 a month, and have it for a month. Or you could pay $99 for the year and have access to all my courses. Up to you. Links are in the description below for both the dojo and the course alone. See you in the next video.